Hi there, welcome to the weekly Binance Coin Wyckoff session. So we're looking at the weekly chart of BNB, and before getting into the details, you know the practice. These sessions are not financial advice and therefore education and research purpose only. However, your discussions are very welcome, so make good use of the comment section. So looking at this chart, we see the price gradually coming down from the upwards of the distribution. However, like I said in multiple sessions, Binance Coin is a bit tricky because when people are actively trading, the demand for the coin may be higher, and that's why it may last longer high up. However, currently it's been trading within this range for like 5 weeks now. It's a matter of time when it will break below the support line defined by the automatic reaction. So supposedly, according to the Wyckoff method, after upwards of the distribution, there shouldn't be like any other crazy upward movement, because as of that time, the market demand is basically like going downwards. So unless there's something crazy happening around the world, or like crazy good news for crypto, especially for Binance, otherwise that would match like that's likely going to match what Wyckoff says, or the Wyckoff definition. Unless those good news or crazy news happen, then it will break away from the norm and the price will shoot up. So let's see. That would be, I don't know, you consider that white swan event. So going back to this, Wyckoff pattern is pretty much very solid as far as I can see it. In terms of monthly chart, again, this small pause, you can say maybe a little drop, and then whether it would eventually develop into like a head and shoulder pattern, it's too early to say, but it's possible. Especially even like when we look at this, there's not much indication from the volume as well. So the monthly chart isn't telling much. And if we go to daily, the price is still within this downward flag that I've drawn a session or two back. So it's like the center line of the short-term playground zone isn't much of a strong support as of this moment in time. So when the price wants to come down, it does, and it becomes a pretty strong resistance. If we look at like Wednesday and Thursday, both days weren't successful in terms of breaking above that line. So if this trend continues, let me extend this, it's somewhere around end of this month, the price would test the support line defined by the pink box, and that you can see it's not too far away from the white box, the top edge of the white box, the long-term playground zone. So this long-term playground zone basically encompass these frequent trading range as well as the lows of the accumulation cycles. It's not that it hasn't been tested recently. It was tested September last year, August last year, as well as July last year. So every single month it had been tested last year. So this time, like February and then March, for 2 months, the price was not as low as the white line, but at least close to the pink line. So be careful within April, there may be another test to that pink line level at least, if not the white line. So that's pretty